Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create an online course step by step. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, the platform that we will be using for today's video is called Udemy. In Udemy, we will be able to post our own online courses that we could also potentially sell. So, what you're going to do is you're going to log into your account in Udemy, create an account if you need, and after verifying all the necessary information like your email, things like that, you will be able to use or see this feature over here on the top right called the instructor. If you select the instructor, you will be able to turn your Udemy into instructor mode wherein you can create your own courses as well, as you can see here on my different examples. And to create your own course, all you need to do is to click on New Course over here. By clicking this, you will begin your process of creating a new course. Now, the good thing about Udemy is that it helps you build a very good quality course. You're not just someone who's going to upload information or upload their lesson plan and upload it in Udemy as it is. Udemy will suggest and even help you improve the quality of your outputs. So it will collaborate with you and help you create a very good course. Now, as you can see here, there are 4 steps initially. And of course, the option that we're going to choose in this part is course. You can also create practice tests as you can see here. So there are other things that you could do with Udemy. So let's go with the course for now. Click on continue. Then get a working title. You can think of any working title. So let's say temporary title for now. You can change it later on so you don't have to worry about it right away. So we're going to have this as our temporary title. After that, we're simply going to click on continue. Then as you can see, what category best fits the knowledge that you'll share. Now this depends on the type of course that you are going to create, the type of online course of course. And you can click on the choose category and you will be able to find all the different categories that you could choose from as you can see here. You have from development until teaching and academics, and make sure that you select the specific category that fits your knowledge because this will allow other users to be able to find your course much easily or much faster. Let's say I will go with design. Then simply click on continue once again. And then over here, how much time can you spend creating your course per week? So there's no wrong answer. Depending on your answer, of course, the more effort or the more support you will receive. So for example, if you're very busy, you will be able to receive an amount of help that would allow you to still build a good amount or a good course despite being busy. Then simply click on create course to begin our other process. And over here, we have our checklist over here on the left side. We have the first part, which is plan your course, then create your content, then simply publish your course. What you're going to do here on the first part is intended learners. Who are you trying to teach? What are the learning objectives, your requirements for taking your course, and who is this course for? So for example, over here on the top part, what will your students learn in your course? So what does your course offer to your different students? You can simply put in here what they will be able to learn for or when learning your course. For example, they will be able to learn how to create a unique design, something like that. Then you could create another one example over here. You could add as many possible objectives or outcomes over here. As long as you click on add more to your response, you will be able to add as many as you want. Similarly with the requirements over here, what are the prerequisites or requirement for taking your course? Do your students need to have a background or do they need to know a specific knowledge to be able to access your course? You can simply add it over here. So for example, if your topic is about programming, you could put in that the students should have the basic understanding of Java programming or Python programming, something like that. And then who is this course for? Who are you trying to teach? Who are you trying to target? And for example, our temporary title or our temporary category earlier was design. So let's say our target students or our target audience are multimedia arts students, something like that. Those who are focused on the design. Then after completing that, you could move on to the second part, which is course structure. Okay? And in the course structure, as you can see here, you will be able to find some tips about how to build your course. You could see the requirements and what you should have, as you can see here, for example. So it will give you an idea on what you should build for your course, what you should have, and there are different library of resources that you could use, like tips and guidelines to help you build your course that students would love. And as you can see here, this part is basically just to inform you what you need to have, like the amount of minutes, something like that, things your content should have. Then you have your setup and test video over here. This is a part where you will be able to send a sample to Udemy itself, and they will give you free critic and free advices about your output. So for example, you upload your video over here on the right side, create a test video. They will say some suggestions, whether improve your mic quality or improve your screen quality, something like that. They will be giving free advices for you to improve your output. And after that, you could go back here to the second part, create your content. Same thing, you will be able to talk to other people. As you can see here, talk to other Udemy instructors so that you will be able to know what to do. And if you're encountering issues, you could ask them as well. You could share your knowledge to other instructors as well. And then this is the part where you actually build your course, the curriculum part, where you could simply put in like the curriculum item. We could add a curriculum item. For example, you could add a quiz, something like that. First quiz, then you could add a description, you could add a quiz. There we go. Then you could add questions by clicking on that. Then you could choose, of course, something like that. It's very easy to navigate. Then for example, the lecture 1, you could add the content, whether it's a video or a video and slide mashup or an article. Article is basically like a text document type of content. Then you could add as many lecture or as many code exercise or assignment that you need. Of course, this depends on your course as well. You need to have a well-defined or a well-built course for this. Then you could add another section. You could say section 2. And then for this one, actually, you could just say application. Then you could add a section over here. And there we go. You can simply add the lecture or whatever you want to build. So that's the reason why you need to fulfill your course structure so that you need to know what to add in this part over here. And you could also do a bulk uploader where you could upload your already created content like video, course sections, all of those stuff. Then after that, you could click on the caption. Although for this one, you could really skip this, but if you want, you could add like options in this part. Then you have your accessibility. Then you have your course landing page. You can see here, this is what your students will be able to see. You can modify like your course title, the subtitle, the description, basic info, whether this is for beginner, intermediate, expert, or all levels. You could also change your category and add some subcategory over here, then other information over here. These are all important parts, so make sure that you fulfill all of them. You also have your pricing over here. You have the ability to like sell it for a certain amount, but you need to have a specific tier to be able to sell it to a certain amount. For example, for this one, and you could also see here, please complete the premium instructor application to set the price for your course. Then after that, you have your course message as well. Then after this, you can simply click on submit for review, and Udemy or the other staff of Udemy will then review your course, and if it passes, you will be able to sell or post your course in Udemy. And for example, over here, your students will be able to view it on the different options that they have over here. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to build your own online course. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.